Having trouble accessing your Motorola phone because of Google FRP Lock? Don't worry, with Dr.Fone you can remove the FRP lock quickly and easily. First, launch Dr.Fone on your computer. On the main interface, select Remove Google FRP Lock. Then, choose Motorola from the device brand list. Click Start to continue. Before moving forward, make sure your Motorola phone is connected to the computer using a USB cable. Once connected, you'll enter the FRP removal screen. By default, the MediaTek CPU option will be selected. Simply click Start. Dr.Fone will now automatically download the required driver for your device. Please wait a moment for the download to complete. Next, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. First, power off your phone completely, wait for around 30 seconds, then reconnect your phone to the computer. Once connected, Dr.Fone will begin removing the Google FRP lock automatically. Please wait while the process completes. In just a few moments, you'll see a confirmation message showing that the Google FRP lock has been successfully removed. Your Motorola device is now ready to use again. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials from Dr.Fone. Thanks for watching.